How to change start location in Google Maps. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change your start location in Google Maps, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to change your start location in Google Maps, it is actually very simple, because by default what happens is if you have GPS enabled or location enabled on your phone, and whenever you open the Google Maps application, what it does is that by default when you tap this little icon from the bottom right and give access to it, it will automatically go ahead and then give you your current location over here. But from here on, let's say that you simply want to actually change the start location, right? So what do you do if you want to change that? Well, at the very top you can see the search bar. Tap the search bar first and let's just search for a destination here. Once you search for a destination, here you can choose the directions option in order to get the directions. Now once you start the directions, at the very top you can see your location. Now inside the your location, you can simply choose a start location, which could be anything over here instead of your current location. After that, you should be able to go ahead and then change the start as well as the destination location. And if you want, you can just go ahead and take a preview and take a step or do whatever else you prefer. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then change start location in Google Maps. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.